Welcome back to my channel. Your girl Fashion Dollface here. I know it's been a while. Okay, don't beat me up. Don't beat me up. I'm back and better than ever. My new launch of YouTube is basically about face and fashion. All things face and fashion. I get a lot of comments, concerns, and issues about this wardrobe and how would you style this, and also like, oh girl, what you use on your skin, girl. So I decided to go ahead and relaunch with all things that. So that's what you're coming here for, and that is what I'm going to provide. So on the liggity launch, I just would like to say this before we get started. If you are coming on back, God damn it, thank you. Okay? And if you are new, welcome. Today, we are going to be doing a clay mask routine. I usually do one about twice a month. I try not to overdo it because clay masks for me have been a little on the dry side. So I always have to go in with a little moisture. We are going to be using the Aztec clay mask. Usually when I use this, I use about 1 tablespoon now, or 1 scoop. I'll show you the measurements. Before I go further, make sure that you use a plastic, a glass container versus metal to open up those pores, to get it lively, get it breathing, get it hydrating. We're gonna start with this super cute plastic bowl, which I can tag for you. I got off Amazon. And make sure you have like a brush to be able to go ahead and apply. I usually do not use my hands. It gets real rough and just like annoying. So in that sense, I do not use a brush. I definitely don't use my hands. I use a brush and a plastic container. It also came with a cute measuring scoop. To take 1 scoop of your measure, or 1 teaspoon, and apply to your cup. And then you want to take the exact same measurement of water, 1 tablespoon, 1 big cup, and apply. Lastly, to our concoction, I'm going to add a little bit of vitamin E oil, and then you just want to mix it down. Don't be afraid to add more water or add more of the clay shot you need to. I usually like to apply about 2 to 3 layers and allow for it to sit 10 minutes. You can allow for it to sit up to 20 minutes, but because my skin is normal, it's not really dry, it's not really oily, I like to just kind of have a happy medium. I don't go over that. I don't care to find out what happens. Shall I go over it? And we work it outwards. Just work it outwards. Keep the flow, and you want to get it on your face as quick as possible because it will dry. For me, the point of a clay mask is just to keep the upstanding of my skin. I want to keep it glowing. I want to open up these pores. I want to get the dirt out, and I need for it to happen as smoothly and as quick as possible. You can see that the mask is starting to kind of harden. I love that I added the vitamin E oil because it doesn't make it as itchy, as irritated for me. Before, it was dry and I couldn't stand it. So as it starts to ruche and kind of like pull up, that is the filth and dirt that's coming up. So that's what we want to see. We want to know that the pores are opening and that dirt is coming out. And that is what is going to create our glow. That is what is going to tone our skin, tighten our skin, keep ourselves looking, what? Young, because I bet you can't guess my age. just want to stress the importance of taking your vitamins, drinking water, and making sure that you're using enough oils so that you can moisturize and glow your skin. So what I do is I do take vitamin D pills. This brand is from Target. I also take biotin. That is also important for my hair, my skin, and my nails. I do take turmeric pills, and I also have turmeric powder that I'll put in my shakes, and sometimes anything that might be soft enough where I can mix. So like mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, soup. You take my everyday women's pill, your vegetables, your fruit. You can blend that up. You can eat that raw, dragon fruit, the whole nine. And just making sure that although I'm doing what it is I need to do on the outside, I need to take care of the inside also. So that is important when it comes to self-care, taking care of your skin so that it does glow out, because it exudes what is on the inside. So I love to have my water on deck. You know what I'm saying? I put it in a cute little container. So I could take this trolley on around and be cute in my meetings and however it flows for me and however it works for me. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let it sit on here. I'm gonna jam a little bit. I'll set the timer and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. And you see how it has gathered, and you can see the differentiations in areas. That is the filth that has pulled out of your skin. The more that we do our clay mask, the less we see the ruching. You know, if it was all crooked, it's like, whoa, baby girl, you might want to do it about 3 times. You know what I'm saying? But no, nonetheless, that is important that we have gotten the grime out of our skin, and that works for us. I want to take a white towel and I want to make sure that it is really, really hot. As hot as I can get without burning my hands. And then I just want to come, and let the heat hit the mask. Let that heat get in there. Whew. All right, guys. So we see that glow coming through. We see that shine coming through. My face feels refreshed. So when I do go in and I do my soft cleanser, which is from Bliss, it is Bliss Rose Gold Rescue. I love this cleanser because it's very light, especially if I'm staying in the house or I'm just running light errands. It's just a quick wash. I'm gonna take the cleanser. You can apply it to a wet face or a somewhat dewy face. Okay guys, so as we lather it up and we're feeling clean and fresh, I will take my towel. I will use cold water because I'm in the house, I'm staying in. I just wanted to get a quick refresh. If you're going out, I would say use warm water. If you're using makeup, I would say use that warm to hot water. Just because you're going out, you need that air in your skin as you're wearing and piling on that product. So because I'm in the house, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off with cold water. To wash my face after a clay mask just because it rejuvenates me. The clay mask tends to kind of dry me out sometimes. That's why we added the vitamin E oil, just so that it can, and it did. Do you hear me breathe? Like I'm breathing? So we see how this glow has come into shine, and I haven't even applied any moisturizer. My skin is like on the lighter side. I can apply whatever. I can go to sleep and I'm A1. Lastly, we're going to apply some moisture, and I'm going to use the Bliss Explosion moisturizer. I love this moisturizer because, again, this one is light also. I love how it allows for my skin to really soak up the moisture without it feeling heavy. So I love to apply a really cute amount. I do not want to be stingy with the moisture here. You can see the glow is flawless. Girl, we in quarantine. I don't need makeup. I'm cool. If I'm feeling real fancy and free, I will apply my CBD oil. I just want to kind of breathe and work and relieve some type of tension. I'll just apply it under my eyes, to my forehead. And I do this if I'm staying in the house. This is I'm cleaning, I'm on my business, I'm working, I'm not really doing too much. And check some things off the list. You know what I mean? So, that is all that I do, guys. Make sure that you all are drinking your water, making sure that you're eating your fruit, your vegetables, these vitamins. Make sure to leave your comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. All right, baby? Until next time, it is your girl, Fashion Doll Face. Deuces.